Ireland is known for its rich cultural heritage, breathtaking landscapes, and welcoming people. But beyond its charm, Irish citizenship offers significant benefits, especially for those with ancestral ties to the country. If you have an Irish grandparent, you may be eligible for Irish citizenship by descent, which provides access to the European Union, greater mobility, and various other advantages. Access to the European Union. As an Irish citizen, you are also a citizen of the European Union, EEU. This grants you the right to live, work, and travel freely across the 27 EU member states. Given the political and economic stability of the EU, Irish citizenship can be highly beneficial for those seeking career opportunities, education, or business expansion within Europe. A highly respected passport, the Irish passport is consistently ranked among the most powerful in the world. It offers visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to over 175 countries, including the United States, Canada, and Australia. Additionally, Ireland's political neutrality and strong international standing make it a low-risk passport for global mobility. Business and tax advantages. Ireland is known for its business-friendly environment. It has one of the lowest corporate tax rates in Europe, at 12.5%, 15% for certain large multinationals. This makes it an attractive location for entrepreneurs and business owners looking to expand their operations. Ireland has a straightforward policy for granting citizenship by descent. If you have an Irish parent or grandparent who was an Irish citizen at the time of your birth, you are eligible to apply. In some cases, great-grandchildren of Irish citizens may also qualify, provided their parent was registered in the Foreign Births Register before their birth. Automatic citizenship by birth. You are automatically considered an Irish citizen if you were born in Ireland to at least one Irish citizen. You were born in Ireland to non-Irish parents who met certain residency conditions. You were born abroad to an Irish citizen who was also born in Ireland. Citizenship by descent. If you were born outside of Ireland, you may still be eligible for citizenship if you have a parent who was born in Ireland, you have a grandparent who was born in Ireland, and you register in the Foreign Births Register. Your parent was registered in the Foreign Births Register before you were born, making you eligible for citizenship. Unlike other citizenship programs, Ireland's system does not require proof that your Irish ancestor was alive at the time of your birth, nor does it require that your parents were married. However, you cannot claim citizenship through more distant relatives such as aunts, uncles, or cousins. Step 1. Register in the Foreign Births Register. If you qualify for citizenship by descent, but were not automatically granted it at birth, you must first register in the Foreign Births Register. This process requires proof of lineage, including birth and marriage certificates linking you to your Irish grandparent. To apply, you will need your birth certificate, your parents' birth certificate, your grandparents' birth certificate showing Irish birth, your parents' marriage certificate, if applicable, additional supporting documents. Step 2. Submit your application. Once your documents are in order, you must fill out an application form and submit it along with your supporting documentation to the Irish government. This process typically takes several months, so it is advisable to start as early as possible. Step 3. Receive your certificate of citizenship. Once your application is approved, you will receive a certificate confirming your registration in the Foreign Births Register. At this point, you are officially recognized as an Irish citizen. Step 4. Apply for an Irish passport. After receiving your citizenship certificate, you can apply for an Irish passport. If you are in Ireland, you can apply through Passport Express or visit a passport office in person. If you are abroad, you can apply through an Irish embassy or consulate. For passport applications, you will need your citizenship certificate, your birth certificate, your marriage certificate, if applicable, proof of address, passport-sized photos, application fees, typically around €75 for a standard passport. Claiming Irish citizenship by descent is a unique opportunity to reconnect with your heritage while unlocking numerous benefits. From increased travel freedom to business advantages and access to the European Union, obtaining Irish citizenship can provide significant advantages for you and future generations. With the increasing global interest in dual citizenship and the tightening of immigration policies in many countries, securing your Irish citizenship now could be a valuable investment in your future. If you qualify, taking the steps to obtain your Irish passport is well worth the effort.